dress. What is all that?
What did he bring you?
Tinkerbell, Tinkerbell.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at all that stuff. Look at
I love it, Tinkerbell.
What do you got, Mason? What did Santa bring you?
I like that one.
More Geotrax?
Is there even more stuff there?
I'll play it upstairs.
Oh, yeah.
Other stuff you got there.
Cindy, look.
Mason got a big dog too.
Now Mason has a dog.
But I think that Cindy says something like that.
Now the pink one is Sydney's.
Pink one's Sydney's. And you got the brown one.
Look. Wait. Look at this.
There's even more.
What is it, Sydney?
Open it, Mommy.
Open it.
Open it. No, this is a core Geotrax.
It is a bridge.
Bridge.
A Geotrax bridge.
And there's a core on it. That's silly. That's silly core on it. Open, Mommy.
Wow.
Open, Mommy. Open.
Okay, I'll open it.
Tinkerbell.
Little Einstein's Domino's game.
Whoa.
So what do you think?
How these presents? Look! More of them Geotrax.
More Geotrax. Are you happy with what Santa brought you?
Yeah. There's a lot of Geotrax here.
Mm-hmm.
I got so good many Geotrax. Look at this.
Wow!
Good.
When you said Geotrax, he was listening. Geotrax, all aboard.
Sydney, look at your princess dress, your Tinkerbell dress.
Do you see it?
Tinkerbell.
And look at your Tinkerbell dress.
Look at the dress.
See it?
She doesn't see it.
That's Sydney's dress.
Mason, show City her Tinkerbell dress hanging on the door.
She hasn't even seen it yet.
You see it right there?
Sunny. Look, Sunny. Look.
Tinkerbell dress. It's got wings.